How to fix Shopify login problems. Hello Shopify friends. Are you having trouble logging into your Shopify account? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll walk you through some of the most common Shopify login problems and their fixes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be back to managing your store without any hassle. Let's get started. First things first, double-check your login credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your Shopify account. Keep in mind, Shopify login details are case-sensitive, so watch out for accidental capitalizations or typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the Shopify login page. Enter your email, and Shopify will send you a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes prevent you from logging in. If you're using a public Wi-Fi network, consider switching to a secure, private connection for better reliability. Another common issue is outdated or conflicting browser data. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try logging in using an incognito window or a different browser altogether. Make sure your browser is up to date. Older browser versions may not support Shopify's latest features. Updating your browser could fix the problem in no time. If you've enabled two-step authentication, ensure you have access to the device where the authentication code is sent. If you're having trouble with this step, click on the Didn't Receive a Code option for further help. If none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to Shopify support. They can help identify account-specific issues and resolve them quickly. To contact Shopify support, go to their help center and log in as a guest to access live chat or email support options. And there you have it. Troubleshooting Shopify login issues doesn't have to be stressful. I hope these tips help you get back to running your store smoothly. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tutorials. See you in the next video.